Hey, got a new camera here. It's a Panasonic H. Hold on, let me get that in focus. It's Panasonic. Damn it, hold on. It's kind of hard to work with. It's let me think. Damn it. It should be in focus. It's on film. Okay, look, it's a Panasonic H. I know you can't quite see that in focus, but it's a Panasonic H. Hold on, let me put the lens up close. It's a Panasonic HCWX-F1. Anyways, without further ado, let's unbox it. I have my box cutter here for the packaging. I guess I don't quite need it. Here we go. Trying to get that in view. Camera's on my DSLR. I'm filming this one around my neck. We got this here. Camera. Hold on, let me open this plastic bubble wrap stuff. Oh. Here it is, guys. Camera. Panasonic 4K. And of course it has like a little shutter, I think, somewhere. Hold on. Let me find the shutter. It's supposed to have like a little shutter. Hold on. It's supposed to have a little shutter in this lens. Like you turn it or something. Oop, damn it. Hang on. I'm not best at technology. Hang on. It's my first camera with a viewfinder. You know, you look for that shit. Could have sworn it had a shutter here somewhere. You activate somehow. Maybe it doesn't activate unless you turn it on. What else you got in this box? You have a instruction booklet. And you have, damn it. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Okay. I'll just dump all this out. Dump all this out. You got a battery here. Charger, 250, I think. Hold on. No. Yeah, actually, yeah. USB. HDMI cable. No. Oh yeah, here it is. The HDMI mini. Yeah, I'll take care of this later. Stuff later. Anyways, that's my camera for now. I guess I'll set up later and maybe show you guys more. Bye.